Hello everyone, I am Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. All right, I got another St. Patrick's Day inspired look and I am so excited to create a nice rainbow on my face. So if you guys enjoy this makeup look, I hope that you will hit the like button, and if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. All right, jumping right into the rainbow. We're gonna go ahead and add those colors. I'm gonna work them and blend them really nice and seamless into each other. Once I have all of those colors laid out on the top and bottom of my eye, I'm going to pick up a clean blending brush and then blend out around the edges. Once your eye looks something like this, it's time to get to the second side. So here we go, blending green, blue, purple, and a little more pink. Once your eyes look a little something like this, you're going to go ahead and pause for the eyes and move on to your face. So I went ahead and quickly concealed all my problem areas, blended out with my finger, set it, and then I'm also going to continue on to contour and blush. Grabbing some Duraline and a nice gold shadow from Melt Cosmetics. I'm going to mix those two together and I'm going to create some gold brows. Once I have the gold brows on, I went ahead and added the same shadow to my brows so it kind of sets it. So just make those brows pop even more. Now I also wanted the colors to pop more on my lids, so I picked up a shimmer color that complemented each of the matte shades I had on, and as you see, I added it with the pad of my finger, so it was really nice and intense. Quickly, I'm adding a nice white shimmer liner to my lower waterline. Now, I was going to add some magnetic lashes, but the magnetic gel liner was terrible. So I went ahead and picked up this liquid liner from L'Oreal, and I just went right over the gel liner, and it worked totally fine. So I moved on from the magnetic for this look, and I went ahead and grabbed my mascara for the top and bottom and some falsies, and I was so much happier. Time to pick up a concealer brush and some concealer because I'm going to create some happy little clouds on my face. So I went ahead and started to create the shape of the clouds that I want right there on my cheekbone, a little bit down on my cheek. Once I have the shape that I want, I'm going to go ahead and pick up a white shadow and I'm going to tap that all across the clouds so it sets it and it's not going to go anywhere. And then once I have that nice and set with the white shadow right here that I'm applying, I'm then going to kind of add a little more dimension to the cloud. So I added a dark gray and just kind of went around the edges and underneath it so it kind of pops the clouds just a little bit. Time to set. So we got to set the masterpiece, fan it out, and then highlight. I'm using the beautiful shimmer shade that I used on the clouds. So I'm going to put that everywhere. Inner corner, bridge of my nose, tip of my nose, a little bit on my cheekbones. I even got sexy, sexy time, the Cupid's bow. Now when that's complete, I'm going to go on to my lips. Now I added a lip liner today, a liquid lipstick, and then I put a really nice rainbow gloss over it. It has beautiful flecks in it, but the camera doesn't do it justice. It's so gorgeous. Now we got those curls under a beautiful festive St. Patrick's Day wig, and that's it. So all of my makeup lovers and my curl friends, I hope you guys come back next Monday and join me for another video. Take care. Red, orange, yellow. Start with some yellow. Here we go. I don't like this, so I'm gonna go get some glue and some lashes.
Hey, I need a